Thank you guys so much for working so hard on that assignment. Now we're moving to the next one. We are going to work on an editing task. I want you to read the story aloud in your desk group. I don't want to see any Woodies with the buzzes. I don't want to see any aliens with the Rexes or Mr. Potato Heads going anywhere they're not supposed to be. Stay in your desk group and read it aloud. The purpose of this is to practice reading aloud and to identify the words or phrases that need to be adjusted based on their tense. You will see that some of the words are underlined. You will be answering questions to fix those underlined words. Now, hint, not all of them will need to be replaced. When this video is done recording, please pause the timer. If you are finished with the assignment before the timer goes off, you may do Lexia or go on Get Epic. I can't wait to see how well you do on this assignment. Good luck, guys!